Cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, but if you're new to the game, knowing where to start can be overwhelming. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to start investing in cryptocurrencies safely and smartly. So, if you want to learn how to grow your wealth in the digital age, stay tuned. First, let's break down what cryptocurrencies are. Simply put, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money, they are decentralized and operate on a technology called blockchain. Before jumping in, it's important to understand that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky. The market is highly volatile, meaning prices can skyrocket or plummet in a short time. Plus, the world of crypto isn't free from scams, so it's crucial to do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. The first step to investing is choosing a reputable exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. When choosing an exchange, consider factors like security, ease of use, fees, and supported cryptocurrencies. After selecting an exchange, you'll need to set up your account. This usually involves providing your email, setting up a secure password, and verifying your identity with personal information. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. Once your account is set up, the next step is funding it. Most exchanges allow you to deposit money via bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods. Be aware of deposit fees and choose the method that works best for you. Now that you're ready to invest, the big question is, which cryptocurrencies should you choose? For beginners, it's often safest to start with well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, there are thousands of altcoins available, each with different use cases and potential. Do thorough research before investing in lesser-known coins. Making your first purchase is easy. Simply select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, choose how much you want to invest, and place your order. You can often choose between market orders, which buy instantly at the current price, or limit orders, which let you set your desired buying price. After buying, you'll need to decide how to store your crypto. Many beginners leave their assets in the exchange, but this can be risky due to potential hacks. Consider moving your coins to a hot wallet for quick access or a cold wallet, offline storage, for maximum security. Investing in crypto doesn't end with your first purchase. The market moves quickly, so staying informed is key. Follow the news, track price trends, and participate in crypto communities. And remember, diversification is important. Don't put all your money into a single coin. Cryptocurrency investing can be both exciting and rewarding, but it's important to approach it with caution and strategy. Start small, invest wisely, and always keep security in mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content on investing. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with cryptocurrencies. See you in the next video.